Right, so this is our newest puppet, and he's on a mini puppet stand, so that he's very compact and all self-contained. Are you all right there?
Loving it, darling. How are you?
This is, what was your name again?
Smudge.
Smudge. And why do they call you Smudge?
Well, check your carpets on the way out, mate.
Charming. Smudge is fantastic because he is the only puppet out of all the puppet companies that make animatronic puppets that has been made for the stand. If you think about it, all the other puppet companies have got puppets that they've had for years and new puppets as well, and the animatronics is just added later. This is Smudge. He's been made by a professional puppet maker for the stand. So there we go. Smudge, anything else?
Totally original, I am.
You're a one-off.
Totally original, not like this other geezer.
So there we go. That's
I'm
Smudge.
the Porsche of puppets, I am. The Porsche of puppets.
The Porsche of puppets.
That's the rest of it, the Porsche of puppets.
Yes, there was an echo in here. Brilliant. Thank you, Smudge.
Go like this, it goes up and down.
Yeah,
Side to side.
very good. Yeah, fantastic.
Bye for now. Listen, you're ready. Remember, check for the smudges on the road.